Good morning, everyone. So we have started for a place called Sangigaon, supposedly a point from where the entire Thimpu is visible. It's a viewpoint, nothing else. Excuse me, Sangigaon? Sangigaon? Okay, straight. So beautiful, the nature is here. It's 10:20 Indian time. Bhutanese time should be 10:50. Our plan is to go to Paro after visiting this point. So yeah, go straight. Yeah, so we are at Sangigaon right now. This place is a viewpoint from where you can see the entire Thimpu city. This is the entire Thimpu city. So I'll just give you a glimpse of the entire area. So we have kept our bikes over there and tracked all the way from there to the point we are currently standing. From here, the Buddha point is also visible. That is in some of the mountains. And here, this small statue you see over there is the Buddha point. Enjoy this landscape. Look at this view. Yeah, so we are on our way to Paro. We are leaving Thimpu now. The time is 1 o'clock India time, 1:30 Bhutanese time. Paro should be an hour and a half drive if we don't stop in the middle. This is the gate and bye bye Thimpu. Yeah, so we have taken the diversion for Paro and it's from Suzom. You have to take a diversion. So there are two ways. On my right hand side there is a way which goes to Thimpu, and on my left hand side is this road where that leads to Paro. Paro has an airport, and I have heard that this airport is beautiful. So yeah, it's around 18 kilometers from here to the Paro airport. Taking a diversion here, that side it goes to Paro airport, here it goes to Paro town. As you can see here towards my left hand side, this is the Paro airport and this is the runway, and this is the border of the airport. So lot of ponies here. Yeah, so this is the way to our hotel. We have to cross the bridge and then go. It's in Satsang Paradise is there. Weather is cold. This is in the shadow region of the mountains, and shadow regions are generally cooler. There is a bridge, and iron bridge again. So yeah, we are going. So this is the hotel, Satsang Paradise. So we have reached Paro and reached our hotel, had lunch. Then we have just come out to explore this place is a little. So there is a river at my back, you can see. And this is the way, you see. This way goes to Tiger's Nest. Currently it is about to sunset, and the time is 4:24 Indian time and 4:54 Bhutanese time. So this is sunset time, and I am near the riverbed. See the top of the mountain, the sun is still touching, but here it is the shadow of the other mountain of the other side. So temperature is cold. It should be around 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. At night it will drop down 0 or beyond, according to the local people. And the view of the river is awesome. So, Himalayan range In between two mountains, this river is flowing. Look at the sky. Beautiful view.
If you have liked this video, click on the like button, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you in the next episode, and until then, always wear your riding gears, ride safe, be safe, and thank you all for watching this video. Goodbye.